Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Yellow, green, maroon, orange, pink. A. Say with me. A. A for apple. B. Say with me. B. B for book. C. Say with me. C. C for car. D. Say with me. D. D for dog. E. Say with me. E. E for R. A. A. F for flower. G. Say with me. G. G for grape. H. Say with me. H. H for horse. I. Say with me. I. I for ink. J. Say with me. J. J for jackfruit. K. Say with me. K. K for key. L. Say with me. L. L for lemon. M. Say with me. M. M for monkey. N. Say with me. N. N for nut. O. Say with me. O. O for octopus. P. Say with me. P. P for potato. Q. Say with me. Q. Q for quail. R. Say with me. R. R for rabbit. S. Say with me. S. S for sheep. T. Say with me. T. T for train. U. Say with me. U. U for umbrella. V. Say with me. B. B for balloon. W. Say with me. W. W for water. X. Say with me. X. X for xylophone. Y. Say with me. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zebra.